Alright guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be looking at what $10 per week looks like in an M1 Finance investment. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, we do have a whole bunch of courses, right? We have a course that offers a whole bunch of fantastic tools, quizzes, videos, lectures. On top of that, you guys will have access to the chat room, and I'll put that down in the description so you guys can at least check it out. So let's jump into it. What pretty much $10 a week looks like with an M1 Finance investment. Let's roll that intro. Come on. Bang. Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded here on my M1 Finance account. I wanted to be 100% transparent with you guys, pretty much looking at my portfolio, all of the stocks that I have, and pretty much answering that main question of should you use M1 Finance. So let's jump into my holdings here. So looking this up, you'll notice that I call L and C the portfolio. The reason why is because this is Lindsay and Carter's portfolio, my wife and I. And pretty much what we do is we invest $10 a week. Now, we don't invest to pretty much, retire off this or anything. I just want to prove to you guys that you guys can possibly make money from investing a small amount per week. Personally, this amount is not much for us. We invest a lot more into other portfolios. This is just for a fun YouTube challenge. So looking at this, you'll notice that right off the get-go, I am down about 14%, which I understand seems like a lot. And at the end of the day, it's a decent amount of money. But the issue is comparing it to the S&P 500. You'll notice the S&P 500 is down about 21% year to date. So I'm outperforming the market, which I'm actually pretty happy about as we continue to look at it. And that is about a $26.56 value that I've lost from my portfolio. Another cool thing is I've gained about 46 cents in dividends. And what's cool about M1 Finance is they have it broken down. So Home Depot, Visa, Microsoft, S&P 500, Apple, Costco, and Nvidia are all of my top dividend payers for this portfolio, which is awesome. As we continue to scroll down, what's cool is you'll notice that pretty much all the positions I have. I have Adobe, Palantir, I have Home Depot, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, the S&P 500, Costco, Visa, Apple, and Tesla. So it's not like I have a ton of holdings. I have I think I have about 11 holdings, which isn't too bad. And the reason I wanted to just put 11 in is I felt like I could have easily put 25, 30, but I wanted to prove to you guys that you guys can make money from investing with this. Now, on top of that, if we go to activity, you'll notice all I deposit is $10 per week into this account, and I'm getting dividends. I'm getting more dividends. I'm getting, some more shares from a stock split. So the cool thing about M1 Finance is you don't need a lot of money. You just need pretty much $10 to invest on a weekly basis. And I understand right now this does not look like a good investment, right? This looks terrible. I'm losing money, but comparing it to the market, I'm actually outperforming it. Now, where do I see this portfolio giving me a return? I see this in the next couple of years, performing pretty decent. I have a good mix of growth, higher risk, stable, more growth, stable growth, S&P 500, lower risk, growth, lower risk, and growth, like a hybrid between risky and growth is Tesla. So personally, I think I have a good mix of all of these cool stocks. And answering that main question of should you use M1 Finance. M1 Finance is awesome because they offer something called pie investing. So if you don't have hundreds of dollars to invest all at once, what you can do is invest $10, $5, and they automatically split it up for your investment. So if you have $1 and you invest into M1 Finance, they'll put this dollar and they'll split it up into 10 spots. So you may only invest 10 cents into certain stocks, or what you can do is just pick an individual stock and buy more of that stock, which I really think is cool as well. All you gotta do is click buy and then it will load it up. boom, you can buy extra Adobe or whatever stock you want to buy. So personally, M1 Finance is probably the most beginner platform that I would recommend. And I understand I'm down on this week. This is just a fun challenge that I wanted to start doing to prove to you guys that you guys can make money. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you guys have any questions about M1 Finance, let me know down in the description. Let me know down in the comments. I don't know why I said description. And I'll answer them because I just think it's a great broker. If you guys want to sign up, I do have a link where you guys can get a couple of bucks, but I'm not even trying to promote this. I just really, really like their platform, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and that's pretty much how much money I made off $10 a week. Nothing. I'm actually down money. So we'll see you later. Take care. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, we do have that course, so make sure you guys at least check it out. So we'll see you guys later. Take care.